What's good, YouTube family? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay.
And we're back with another video. Guys, it's another beautiful day in Las Vegas, Nevada, guys. We had so much fun yesterday. Today we're headed to Los Angeles, California.
Yes, I can't wait to get to it.
We meeting up with some family this afternoon, so today is gonna be a great day for us, guys. I haven't seen my fam in, a whole year. Usually we come over here every year and meet up with them, so it's gonna be a great day, guys. You're watching the video right now. Go ahead,
smash that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Guys, let's get into the video. All right, guys, we just made it to our room, Los Angeles, California, man. Yeah, it was a beautiful view, but smoke messed it up, or smog, whatever it is. Man, look at this, y'all. It look crazy.
A nice room, though.
Yeah, it's a nice room, but the view bad.
Yeah.
Cause the smog. But yeah, guys, we just made it to Los Angeles.
And we'll be here for 3 days.
Yeah, we're gonna end the day off at the beach today. I don't know what beach we're gonna go to, but we're gonna go to one beach. We gotta end the day off nice, guys.
Oh, he's not letting people out, really, huh? He said something about you can't get out there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he said it's just for the view. You can't basically, you can't get out there.
I guess I can't go on the balcony. That sucks.
Yeah.
But it's all good. But we still ain't gonna let this spoil our time in LA, guys. We about to go to some beach. I don't know, Long Beach, maybe Huntington Beach, Santa Monica.
Yeah, so many beaches.
Just to end the day off. And then I'm about to go downstairs, meet my cousin real quick. He waiting on me. We took too long coming from Vegas, but
it was traffic. Yeah,
it was a nice drive. It was hot as I don't know what.
Oh man, 120 degrees.
Yeah, my temperature gauge hit 120 in the truck, man. The Mojave Desert is crazy hot, y'all. So
yeah, it's nothing to play with.
You gotta have a great car. You gotta have your water, man. You gotta have a care package.
And we seen a wildfire on the side of the road.
Oh yeah, it had just started too.
Yeah, the police wasn't even there yet. It was
no BS, y'all.
Yeah,
but yeah, guys, about to enjoy the rest of our day. Y'all gonna enjoy it with us. Stay tuned. Me and my kinfolk just came to the Hollywood Star Walk. Check it out for the first time. It's an alright little place. You say it's whack? Wax museum. Oh, the wax museum. He got 2 of them. Who? Oh, really? Hold on.
Do that one day.
Hey, nah, that's Gangsta's Hill right there, though. I was stepping on my nigga Charles, bro. Got my boy Ray Charles right here. I ain't even paying attention to him either, Asia. Who will? Andrew Stone, I don't know who that is. Stella Adler, I don't know who that is. Bessie Love, don't know who that is. I don't know who that is either. Man, this Star Walk pretty long, bro.
Yeah, Yeah, I mean,
Shoot.
it's different though, you know what I mean?
He was on the young and the rest. He died though.
Gene Cooper.
You don't know.
Ronald Coleman. Cliff Robertson.
Not always rainbows and butterflies. Let's compromise that moves is a law.
Bro, I got some crazy motherfuckers out here, dog. Hey, y'all ain't running low on them, bro. P. Jesus. Drake. Oh, Francis Drake. Francis Drake. Kermit the Frog. Oh, nah, he wanted to stump on him.
Next year. Yeah. He's got to. This is what we do, right? It's a science. Get with us and get left, man. I'm the No to No Show. Detroit got like Batman and Black Panther. What would that be? Black Panther, man. Hood Panther, man. Flex it up, stress it up. Get your muscles up. Muscle hustle. We on Hollywood Boulevard, making it happen when it happen. Shout out to what city you from?
Houston.
Shout out from Houston,
Texas.
Houston, Fifth Ward, your ward, they ward. I'm the No to No Show, making it happen. And they about to blow up. Look up NoToNoShow.com. KNOW, the number 2 no.
Straight up, man. Man, this how it's going down on Hollywood Boulevard, y'all. Y'all see it. Jimmy Kimmel Live right there. Nah, for sure. Straight up. Chill, man. Y'all, this that little scene that they did on Rush Hour right here. This the little location. I don't know what it's called, but this is what they did that little Rush Hour scene. Hey, Adrian, what is this called? What is this called?
I don't know what this is called to be real, but this is like was on Rush Hour, bro.
I remember. That's what I was telling you earlier. I wanted to see this. Yo, Michael Jackson. His shoes. You said his what now?
I think these are.
Okay, his handprints. Okay, wow. Y'all seen it. Michael Jackson handprints. And what else, Shay?
I don't know. I can't see it. I can't read. It was like right in the middle over here.
Will Smith.
And Jackie Chan up there.
You see?
Changed the world. You want to see Jackie Chan? I couldn't find Chris Tucker.
Yeah.
Hey, let's stop.
Found the Michael Jackson store, y'all. King of Pop, huh?
I hate they got some of them upside down.
Adrian, I can't believe you never been here, bro. That's crazy.
Hey, you remember when I told
Nah, y'all, we about to probably leave the Hollywood Strip. I ain't realized that the Star Walk was so long. You can't walk the whole, can't walk the whole Star Walk in one walk. So, we're about to go to, where we going, Adrian? The beach?
the beach and get something to eat, man. Try to figure it out.
About to go to the beach, get something to eat. I don't know. Stay tuned.
Going around a pipe, like a glass pipe in the middle. And the
really?
water is going up, sucking it up and making it.
Okay, yeah, I see that look cool though.
There you have it, guys. We went from Las Vegas to LA. We met up with some family. Then we went to the Hollywood Boulevard and walked the Star Walk. We didn't get to make it to the beach, but stay tuned to our next vlog. If you're still watching this video from beginning to end, hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob. Until next time.